Now let me take you to the next steps, which is managing your shipping template. So in case of events where there is a marketplace, shipping templates are very important. So let me show you how you can create a shipping template for yourself. So you click on manage shipping, you click on create new template, then you click on migrated template, and then you click on create new. So once you do that, you will have a template, new template ready for you. So let me name this template as, so I've given the template a name. Now I can either choose to keep my rate model as per item weight based, or I can either use to have a price banded model. So in a per item weight based model, what you will need to do is you will need to, so there are multiple regions here: north, south, northeast, west, central, east, and others. So for every region, I will need to put in a standard shipping fee. So say for example, if I want to charge 10 rupees on all of my products, irrespective of where they are going, in the northern region, I will put 10 rupee as a standard charge, and then above and beyond that, I can put 20 rupees per item cost or per kg cost. So this you have to decide whether you have to use per item or per kg. The module will automatically add the shipping cost to your products when people are buying. Apart from that, you also have the feature to decide transit time, how much you want to take for shipping the particular products. So you can choose that from here. Once you have chosen it, you need to click on save, and once you have saved the price bands for multiple categories, the pricing for multiple regions, you need to click on the save button just in right of them. And once you've done it for all the regions, you need to click on save on the top. So once you click on save, you will be able to the shipping model will be into your stall. Now you also have the option to edit the regions. So say for example, if you don't want to ship to a particular location in the northeast, you can choose to go there and click on the particular state and untick that. If you want to ship to the state and just not ship to some particular locations, like let's say these 4 locations you don't want to ship to, you can remove those locations as well and click on save, and then the shipping template will automatically alert the buyer that the product is not available at their particular location. Now you also have a price banded version for the same shipping template. Now say for example, if you want your shipping to be price banded, so you can have that as well. So you can put in your start bands and end bands. So the starting band would be rupees 0, and the ending band can be, let's say if it's 1,000 rupees, so you can have 20 rupees shipping for 0 to 1,000 rupees, then 1,000 and up, so we will put, let's say 3,000 rupees here. So for an order worth 1,000 to 3,000 rupees, you can have shipping charges which are 50 rupees. Now for 3,000 and up, you can have shipping charges which are 100 rupees. So this is a price banded shipping model. You can choose to have whatever pricing that you would like here, depending on the cart value of the person who is buying. As soon as you have done this, you need to click on save here on the right side, and it will save your pricing model. Then you click on save here, and it will save the template for you.